Friends, this year the heat is quite intense, and without proper cooling, it becomes very difficult to stay comfortable. In such a situation, a good desert air cooler can make your life much easier. But the problem is, there are so many options available in the market that it becomes confusing to decide which cooler is actually right for your room. So if you're also confused, then this video is for you. Because here, I am not only going to tell you the top 5 best desert air coolers, but before that, I will also explain a few important points so that you can choose a right and long-lasting cooler. First of all, always choose a cooler according to your room size. For example, if your room size is around 180 to 200 square feet, then a cooler with 40 to 80 liters capacity will be perfect for you. This will give you proper cooling and also reduce the need to refill water frequently. Second important factor is the cooling pads. Always choose a cooler with honeycomb cooling pads as they are more durable and provide better cooling compared to regular pads. Third, do not blindly trust big brand claims like 70 to 80 feet air throw or bacteria-free air. In reality, most coolers provide effective cooling only up to 30 to 35 feet. So it is important to keep realistic expectations. And finally, always check the warranty and service support. There should be at least 1 year warranty, and the brand should have proper service availability in your area. Now, keeping all these points in mind, let's move to our list of top 5 best desert air coolers. At number 5, we have the Havells Desert Air Cooler. If you're looking for a cooler that offers strong cooling along with a smart design, then this is a good option. Its main highlight is the 2-in-1 convertible design, which means it can also be used as a side table, quite useful for compact spaces. It comes with a large 80-liter water tank, which ensures long cooling hours. It also features a 5-leaf metal blade fan with around 3,500 cubic meters per hour airflow, providing strong air delivery. For cooling, it uses Bacteria Shield honeycomb pads, which offer better cooling and comparatively cleaner air. Additional features include auto swing, water level indicator, and caster wheels, making it easy to use and move. It is also inverter compatible and consumes around 180 to 200 watts of power, which is quite balanced. In terms of price, it is available at around 13,000 rupees. At number 4, we have the Symphony Maxwind Desert Air Cooler. This cooler comes with a 100-liter large water tank, which provides long-lasting cooling and reduces the need for frequent refilling. It also features an easy fill system, allowing you to pour water conveniently from the top. For cooling, it has 3-side honeycomb cooling pads, which improve water retention and deliver more effective cooling, especially for large rooms or halls. It also includes a powerful airflow system, which helps maintain proper air circulation and improves cooling performance. This cooler can effectively cover an area of up to 500 square feet, making it suitable for larger spaces. Its power consumption is around 230 to 260 watts, and it is inverter compatible. It also comes with caster wheels, making it easy to move. The price is around 12,000 rupees, and it includes a 1-year warranty, making it a good value for money option. At number 3, we have the Kenstar Mahacool Desert Air Cooler. It features a 90-liter water tank, ensuring long hours of cooling. For better performance, it comes with antibacterial honeycomb cooling pads, which provide effective and hygienic cooling. It also includes a high-speed powerful fan, which delivers strong airflow and maintains cooling even in larger rooms. This cooler can cover approximately 400 to 500 square feet area and provides up to 50 feet air throw. It is inverter compatible and consumes around 230 watts of power. The build quality is solid, and it comes with durable caster wheels for easy movement. One of its biggest advantages is the warranty. It offers 1-year product warranty along with 5 years warranty on motor and pump. The price is around 13,000 rupees. At number 2, we have the Bajaj DMH Neo Desert Air Cooler. This cooler comes with a 90-liter water tank. It uses antibacterial honeycomb cooling pads, ensuring effective and hygienic cooling. It also features a high-speed fan with turbofan technology, delivering strong airflow of up to 5,600 cubic meters per hour, which makes it suitable for large rooms. Its biggest highlight is the powerful air throw of up to 90 feet, which helps cover larger areas easily. It also includes a large ice chamber, allowing you to add ice for extra cooling. You get a 3-speed control knob to adjust airflow, and it is also inverter compatible. Additionally, it comes with a Dura Marine pump, which is resistant to moisture and increases durability. The price is around 11,000 rupees, and it offers a 3-year comprehensive warranty, which is a strong advantage.
At number 1, we have the Crompton Optimus Desert Air Cooler.
It comes with a 100-liter water tank, making it ideal for long cooling hours. It uses high-density honeycomb cooling pads, which hold water efficiently and provide consistent cooling, especially for larger rooms. It delivers around 5,500 cubic meters per hour airflow and offers an air throw of approximately 50 to 55 feet, covering a large area effectively. It also features a large ice chamber, which is easy to clean and helps enhance cooling when needed. Additionally, it comes with an autofill and auto-drain system, making water management very convenient. It is equipped with an Everlast pump, which performs well even in hard water conditions and offers long durability. You also get a humidity control feature, allowing you to adjust cooling based on weather conditions. Its power consumption is around 200 to 230 watts, and it is inverter compatible. The price is around 13,000 rupees, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Overall, if you are looking for powerful cooling, large capacity, useful features, and long-term durability, this is the best option. So friends, if you want to purchase any of these desert air coolers, you will find all the direct buy links in the description, where you can check the latest price, offers, and availability. If you still have any doubts or want help choosing the right cooler according to your room size, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will try to reply personally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you.